The fact that we can even stand here and it's incredible. Plants may appear very simple, but they're even more complex than we'd ever think. Transpiration is the process in which water is lost as water vapor. It's also how water and nutrients travel throughout the plant.
Just like when humans sweat on a hot day, transpiration for plants is a form of evaporative cooling.
Transpiration begins when
The roots absorb water from the soil via osmosis. Osmosis is the process by which water particles move from an area of high to low concentration. Since the soil has a higher concentration of water than the plant, the water will move from the soil toward the plant. Root hairs on the root maximize water uptake by increasing root surface area. But how does the water in the plant, go up? Well, through a process called capillary action, fluids travel against the forces of gravity. Within a plant, a tubular structure called xylem vessel's main purpose is to transport water. It's here that the two properties of water and their processes, cohesion and adhesion, occur. Adhesion is water's attraction to other molecules, like those of xylem. Cohesion allows water molecules to stick to one another through very strong hydrogen bonds. The tension spreads from one water molecule to the next. With this, a hydrostatic pressure gradient is created, encouraging a pull force for the mass flow of water from an area of high pressure, the roots, to an area of low pressure, the shoots. Luckily, the xylem is packed with lignin to endure these tough pressures. But since the xylem can only withstand unidirectional movement, when the water reaches the leaves, it's gotta go. But how? The stoma. You'll need a microscope to see it, but the opening and closing of stomata by guard cells plays a huge role in the rate of transpiration. An open stoma absorbs CO2 from the environment. It also releases oxygen and loses water. And finally, as the water is transported root to shoot, transpiration is complete. But wait, only 1% of the water from transpiration is used as a reactant in photosynthesis. Where does the rest go? It's evaporated, and it joins the water cycle. Evapotranspiration defines the processes of both evaporation and transpiration. With the rise in temperatures due to climate change, the rate of evapotranspiration is also increasing. With more water vapor in the atmosphere, more intense and frequent rain showers are expected. Hence the possible correlation with the rise in cyclone intensity over the past 20 years. So yeah, plants supply oxygen, but their processes like transpiration define life. Not too bad for a little plant.